Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So in this video I'm attempting to do Jazza, the big famous art YouTuber, on my sketchbook in my style. And Jazza, I think he has a unique face, or not even face. His hair is very unique because it's like he has a lot of blonde in it and a lot of brown and brassy tones, so I like drawing his hair and coloring it in because I used a reference photo, and that particular photo he had spiky hair. I like his hair, it looks cool. Jazza is killing it on YouTube. Like, I watch Jazza all the time. He's like very entertaining. Out of a lot of YouTubers that I watch, I think he's like very entertaining. He's funny. He just knows how to capture his audience well. So I figured, since I watch him all the time, why don't I make a little drawing of him? It's a little bit from inspiration. I was watching his recent videos, and like he's moving out of that studio, and that famous mural, I believe he painted it over. I think that was epic. That first video he put out with just him painted it over, and everybody was like, wow. I'm so shocked that he painted it over. But I like a lot of things that Jazza says. He's like, he want to try something different. That's what art is about, basically. Just reinventing yourself all the time. That's what he's trying to do. And in his new place, his new studio, he's gonna like do more art. I like Jazza a lot. He's very entertaining. I watch his vlog channel too, and his family, they're cute too. They seem happy, I like to see a happy, successful YouTuber. And yeah, I just like his videos. Like, he seems, let's be honest, he doesn't ever seem to run out of content. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, if you like this video of me trying to draw Jazza in my art style, make sure to like, share, and subscribe as usual. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about Jazza a little bit. I feel like he never runs out of ideas. He always has this big crazy idea, and it really works. Because personally, I'm gonna say that me as a artist or a beginner, whatever I am, I get bored fast, and I was wondering if other people get as bored as me. And I don't know for sure, but I feel like maybe that's the case with him. He probably doesn't like doing something too much times, and he gets bored, so he's like, oh yeah, let me come out with this cool idea. Like, a lot of things that he do is like, it's different. He always changes it up, and that's part of the reason why I watch him. He's very, like I said, he's very entertaining. I think it's good for us as artists to always try to step out of your comfort zone. Like, not every day, but try to implement that, because I feel like stepping out of your comfort zone, that influences you to be creative. And Jazza does that all the time. Like, almost all his videos is like, wow, that's so different. Wow, it's so different. And I think him doing all these different things, it really rounds him out as an artist. Because really think about it, if you're trying different things all the time, you're gonna have a lot of skills. And I know, yeah, he most likely knows that. He knows what he's doing. Like, it got him where he is now. He's like really famous, successful, like I said. And just like I said a million times, just very entertaining. His content, you can watch it all day. You don't even have to be interested in art necessarily, I feel like, to watch Jazza's videos. He's just a person that you would like to watch. But yeah, I hope you guys like this drawing. I don't really know how to do skin tones, so I just try to put some pink tones in his face, and then I put that skin tone over it. I'm personally more of a painter, so me doing markers is to me stepping out of my comfort zone. I think I know how to do skin tones more with painting. You know, I feel like it's more blendable, but a lot of people say Copics are really blendable, so I'm just experimenting with that. But yeah, I like doing these little drawings in my sketchbook. If you want to see more drawings in my sketchbook, let me know down below, because I will do it. They're fun, fast, and easy, you know, just to get that idea down. In school for graphic design, they stress how important it is to sketch. When I used to do paintings, I didn't really sketch that much, but I think I like the idea of sketching now. Like, you sketch and then your final thing is perfected. I'm gonna do more sketches before I do final art pieces. I think they're really useful. If you sketch before you do a final art piece, let me know down below, and if it's helpful for you, because it is for me. I especially like doing Jazz's hair. I feel like he has very unique spiky hair, and I like to stylize it, make it look cartoony. That was fun. I think his hair was the most funnest or smoothest part of this art. I like doing his hair the most. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm just finishing the border right now, making the final touches. I really like doing backgrounds a lot. I like using different colors, and I got that abstraction. I like doing abstract backgrounds a lot. So I see a lot of YouTubers do a circle background kinda, so I just try to do a rectangle to make it different. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, because I'll be back. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you so much.